Hello, today we are going to try to fix this absolutely beautiful vintage laptop computer from company called Acer, model TravelMate 250. It is great machine and let's try to boot it up, and that's because it's using regular desktop CPU. It is Pentium 4, which is extremely power hungry for a laptop computer. It is not like a low power device. And the power brick is delivering 6 amp at 20 volt, which equals to around 120 watts. So it is absolute beast. As you can see, we hang on the BIOS screen. Currently, it's trying to detect our devices. I'm trying to enter setup and it's just hanging up. We wait like 2 minutes, so I will speed it up for you. It took like 2 minutes to get into this point. We go into F2, and in the BIOS on the IDE 1 we cannot see any devices being detected, and on the IDE 2 we've got our optical drive, so the hard disk drive most likely is just dead and need to be replaced. So let's do it right now. And as you can see, on side we do not have place where the caddy could be hidden for our hard disk drive. On that flap we've got indication that we've got our memory bank, and that flap is definitely too small for our hard disk drive. So where it's located, pretty amazing spot. I never seen anything like this in my entire life. We go like this, we remove our battery, and here is our hard disk drive in caddy. This is how easy it is, and pay attention to the marking down because it is upside down, and that's going to be our bottom. It is a regular IDE drive, and it's rated 30 gigabytes. And if we take a look at the markings, we've got information that it was equipped with 30 gigabyte drive. So most likely it is OEM drive that was delivered with that machine. So definitely it can die. This is replacement that I will put, and it is only 20 gigabytes. So we lowering our quality, our capacity. We are going to be undoing those 2 screws, just like that. You can't install it wrong because we've got holes to attach the drive. And as you can see here, we've got holes. If you go upside down, you will not have place to put those screws. So it is extremely easy job. I'm pretty sure I've got OS on that drive because I pull it from a different machine. So it should try boot straight into the OS. Okay, so we go like this. We've got our down, which is down. We slide it in just like that. We add our battery, which is really massive, and it's still holding charge, which is absolutely beautiful. Great device from programming old radios. And let's see if it's going to be working. We power it on. And if the drive is okay, we should quickly go into BIOS. And it took like 1 second, and we've got our drive, and the Toshiba drive is being detected. So let's see if the operating system will try to load. I can see that Windows XP is trying to boot up, but it's rebooting itself, so I will have to install OS from scratch. I was trying to boot up XP that was loaded into that drive, but sadly it's rebooting itself, so I will have to start from scratch. but we resolve our issue and we've got a working drive. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time and bye bye.